it up, and I'll show you how you open it. So you need to pull it open, and inside the box you get paint. And there's purple, pink, red, blue, green, and gold. And our very own paintbrush. Also in the box there's some string and our beads. And this is something you really need. Instructions. And some tape. It's paper tape in case you want to do it two-tone. Or do some dots, you can put it or you might want to do two-tone and dots. So let's get doing it. We just laid out a bead and put paper tape on one of them, and we opened up the pot. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get our paper. I'm going to do first the two-tone one. So when you finish, you can set it to the side and wait for it to dry. Here's something you might be able to do. You could get some beads and put them on the skewer, kebab stick thingy. Put them like that. And put them all over there, and that's it. You can get all the sides by doing that. So next color I'm gonna do purple. The colors are going really great and they're going on really smoothly. I'm doing a really special one because it has red, green, and it's also going to be a two-tone. And right now we're going to peel off our two-tone ones. And right now we're doing gold. How do you like it? And that gold's such a nice metallic, I don't even. And now green. I think that blue looks amazing. So does the gold. And maybe they're gonna be friends. I don't know. So the beads are dried, and now guess what we're gonna do? We get to thread them through. And first we're gonna do it gold. Come from any end you want. So these are the ones I put on. I did the purple and pink dotted one, and the blue half one, and the gold one, and a gold half, and a pink half with a purple dots. And I'm gonna save the rest of them for my keeping. How do I look? No, it does look great. And now let's get into our keyring. So what you need to do is you need to put it down and like a necklace, and then you need to squeeze it together. and add on all of your beads. Just like this. Green, purple polka dots. Christmassy one, green and red polka dots and plain. Green, gold, red, and the last one, we need to do a few knots like this. This was so fun, and you can put anything on it, maybe Santa's key. And these are what I made, a necklace and a keyring.